Hi, my name is Ernest, and in this video tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to live search and filter Bricks query loop with Ajax Search Pro. So contrary to other tutorials, in this one I'm going to assume you already have a query loop set up. If you don't, please check out the Bricks tutorial. They have a lot of videos and whatnot. That's what I used to make my demo setup, which kind of looks like this. So it's like a standard query loop. What we're gonna do is what we need from Ajax Search Pro. So first off, let's go to Ajax Search Pro. Let's create a new search bar. I'm just gonna call it search. Let's add it and click on the gear icon to access the settings. Here, the only thing I'm gonna change is remove the pages from the search sources right on the first panel which comes up, and save the settings. And now, if I go to the search behavior, search element or archive shop page, whatever, click on this, and we're gonna need this. You just scroll down, and element or procedure live filter, this also applies to this. I just completely forgot to rename the option, but it doesn't matter. So we're gonna copy this or just leave this page open, because this is the only thing that we're gonna need, and also the search shortcode. So how about I go back to the pages and edit. I have this brick test page, and it's just going to edit with bricks, which also contains this already built like loop query. So we are going to have to do two things here. One is to add the search shortcode right there, for which I think I'm going to use like a section here up there. I don't know how that works. Okay, where did it put it? It put it on the bottom, so I need to, here we go. And then I'm gonna search for shortcode and then just put it into this container, and no shortcode. Here we're gonna copy the main shortcode. So if we clicked on this toggle, it's gonna copy this, and you can also find it when you go to Ajax Search Pro menu here. It's a slightly different one, but it's the same. It renders the same. So I'm just gonna put it here into the shortcode, and here we go. It's already rendered. It's not very well styled, but it doesn't matter for this presentation. It really doesn't. I'm just gonna save this. It says brilliant. That's great. And now we go back to the thing that we copied, this ASP_ES_1, and we're gonna have to put it in two places. One is the main section where the query loop is contained. So let's click on this section, go to style, CSS, and here CSS classes. I'm just going to copy paste it here. And also click on the container which contains each query item. Here, same thing on the CSS, and on the CSS classes, just copy it there and save everything. Sweet, very good. Now if I go back to this page, the search should be there. Here we go. Okay, like I should have added some margin top, but it's whatever. So let me try to, search something. And here we go. It's already working. So that's basically all of it. Let me try something like a different keyword. These placeholder posts are kind of strange, but hey, and here is a pagination, not very well styled, but as you can see, it's also working very nice. So yep, this is all there is to it. It's that simple. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Links in the description below. And if you don't have an Ajax Search Pro license yet, well, what are you waiting for? I really hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.